of my lovely neighbours offered me some strawberry plants, and when the dude in number 2 went over to the hospital to live, I grabbed a lot of his stuff, like these PVC pipes that I got as well, and that strawberry hanger that I got hanging down there, and I got them. So, and that's a bed frame there. It's a queen bed frame that I was going to build a garden around, out on the ground, and sort of build it up around that. But I figured that it looks better and does more practical because of all my wood mess behind there, bits and pieces I'm going to use and so on at various stages. It looks a mess. So if I can get this all built up, it's going to look absolutely wonderful. So I actually did some work today that I've never done before in my life. I used a jigsaw, maybe, and I cut the tube in half. Now, I think I did a pretty good job. It's probably not perfect, but yeah, I cut that myself, and yeah, to put the strawberries in. So I put it already and put them in this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some brackets and bolt them to the frame up a bit further, and on the back of it I'm going to put some chicken wire and my choco vine going all the way across the back of it as well, which will completely block the view of my wood mess from everyone. I mean, it's not that it really makes much difference because it's sort of at the side of my house, out of the way. You can't really see it, but I just don't like having it sort of out like that. I was going to put it behind my shed, but my shed isn't built yet, and that's another story. It's not a nice story either. But anyway, yeah, so she brought me the strawberries over last night, so I left them soaking last night, and I planted them out this morning. I don't know how they'll go. They do have immature strawberries on them already. I've got mature strawberries as well, so I'll see how they go. Even if they don't survive, I do have some strawberry seeds here which I'm going to plant out between these plants anyway. So I'll have probably, I've got this one and that one, that's 2, and I've got another length next to the shed. I think it's a bit longer than this. So I have 4 rows of strawberries on this contraption wall, fake wall, and yeah, the choco behind it. And then this next area here, I'm going to put my passion fruits. Somehow make another bed frame maybe or something, and put my passion fruits there. Once again, blocking my place off, because along here I'm going to have plants, and that will be, well, it is the driveway to get around to the back of my place, between there and there. So it's all planning out, and it's all coming together, and it's slowly. But yeah, that was my job today. I've got the jigsaw out, and it worked. I was amazed. I drew a pencil mark along where I wanted to cut it. I had a couple of wobbly bits, as you do when you're a girl and never used a jigsaw before, but it worked, and it cut itself in half, and then I just zippy tied it to the bed frame like that, so that it's not going anywhere. And I zippy tied the bed frame to the downpipe, so it ain't going anywhere either. I'm just passing it in a bit, and yeah, so that's my creation so far. Stay tuned, it's going to get better.